Hi, this is Uzair. I am ISSA IFPI certified trainer, and I've been doing this industry in the last almost like 1 decade. Start with simply with the jumping jacks like this. उसके बाद आपने हाई नीज करने. हाई नीज का फॉर्मूला एंड फॉर्म जो है वो ये है. Lunges, then you can perform 10 push-ups, number of set 3. और आप beginner हैं अगर, you can also go with assisted push-ups like this. Leg raises, you can perform either both legs together. This is what we call leg raise. Slowly keep your leg straight, bring it down, don't touch the floor, move up, down, up, down. इसको हम फ्लोर पंच भी बोलते हैं. अपने आप को इस पोजीशन में लेकर आए. Stretch your legs little bit. Get into a little squat position like this. Your back should be straight and आपने punching करनी floor पे like this. So guys, these all workout which I have performed, जिनका मैंने आपको demonstration दिया, बताया, angles के बारे में, posture के बारे में, repetitions के बारे में, they all give you energy and make you motivated and give you, and of course re-energize yourself. So this is the best way to get your stress level lower down and bring energy in your lifestyle. Stay tuned to my page and keep watching my videos. I'll be there to assist you. I'll be there to guide you throughout my journey with HealthWire. Thank you.